How to prune roses in California. California roses come in many shapes, sizes and colors. Roses can be grown over pergolas and trellises. They can be layered by growing shorter roses underneath taller ones. There are ample ways of growing roses. Just remember that all roses require proper pruning. Flexibility is crucial, but following a few simple pruning steps is a good place to start. This article will discuss how to prune roses in California. Things you will need: gloves, pruning shears, scissor action hand pruners, handsaw. Prune roses in California. Prune your California roses beginning in early January and finishing by late February. Roses should be in full bloom by the middle of April. Lightly pruning your California roses encourages maximum rose growth and allows you to control the shape. Rose trees tend to have a mind of their own. Cut off the branches and stems of your rose trees at about half their height. If the rose tree stands 6 feet, cut it to 3 feet. Rose trees will grow back quickly. Remove all dead or ill-looking stems and branches from your roses. Remove any branches that cross over into other branches. The goal is to keep the branches from touching each other. Remove a branch older than 3 years for every new branch produced. This keeps your roses young and thriving. Prune the remaining branches about halfway down, always cutting just above a bud eye facing outward. Buds are located just above the leaf joint. Remove all the extra leaves on the roses. When pruning, the goal is to put the roses into a dormant state. Without the food provided by the leaves, the roses will go to sleep. Tips: warnings. Keep a small garden rake close by to pick up all our pruning debris as it falls. This will help prevent any possible injury due to thorn pricks. Rose bushes have nasty thorns, so always double up your shirts when pruning to avoid getting stuck. Wear gloves when working with roses.